I'll be giving you a short tour of my shop where your radio will be repaired. This is in a room right off of our garage, dedicated to the repair of antique radios. To date, some 350 have been done here in the last couple of years. We need documentation. The blue books on the left are writers. They cover all the radios from the 20s up to the 50s. A special section on the right up there, those are just RCA. And down below, a mixture of General Electric and Montgomery Wards, etc. People will usually ask, what do you do for tubes? Well, there's 1,000 of them in this room in various different places. And you can still buy brand new ones, any number you need, on the web or on eBay, believe it or not. And not very expensive. This is the bench where it all happens. That's the spare parts. One of the toolboxes. And in process, Gilfillan made radio for radio bars about 1935. And it sure helps. More parts on the wall. It sure helps to have documentation in front of you on the screen also. Some of the test equipment in use. And the must-have oscilloscope. More parts, of course. Chemicals, cleaning supplies. And the research position. Almost forgot about the tube tester, which is a must-have in this hobby for sure.